What's up, gadgeteers? Brace yourself for a folding phone experience that will blow your mind. We're diving deep into the OnePlus Open, a device that's not just about flexing that bendy screen, but about redefining how we multitask. Forget your boring split screen blues because Open Canvas is here to paint a whole new picture. Imagine juggling multiple apps at once, not just side by side, but in a dynamic, fluid dance. That's Open Canvas. It's like having a personal productivity Picasso at your fingertips. Need two apps on deck? No problem. Swipe down with two fingers and bam, another app joins the party, all perfectly sized and accessible. Need a third app? Simply head down to the taskbar and drag an app to the bottom of the middle of the screen and bam, a trifecta of goodness. Feeling overwhelmed? Pinch those apps together with four fingers and they shrink into an adorable mini version, like a digital Zen garden for your focus. But Open Canvas isn't just about juggling apps, it's about synergy. Watch a video while taking notes and browsing the web all at once. It's like having three brains working in perfect harmony. Need to compare prices while shopping? Drag that shopping site right next to your browser, instantly product showdowns. And for the ultimate multitasking MVPs, Open Canvas lets you float apps. Yep, imagine a tiny YouTube window hovering over your emails, playing your favorite tunes while you work. It's like having a digital sidekick, always there to keep you entertained and informed. Of course, the Open is more than just a multitasking monster. It's a gorgeous beast with a massive unfolded display that's perfect for gaming, movies, and anything else that demands immersion. Folding up, it's a sleek and pocketable powerhouse. But is it a game changer or just a gimmick? Look, Open Canvas isn't perfect. It has its learning curve and some apps might not play nice, but it's a vision of the future, a glimpse into a world where multitasking isn't a chore, but a creative canvas. It's not just about having multiple apps open, it's about how those apps interact, how they empower you to do more, be more, and conquer your day with digital dexterity. So, is the OnePlus Open the multitask maestro you've been waiting for? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more OnePlus Open content that'll bend your mind, or maybe your phone too. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.